मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स रो उद्घाटन करेंगे। वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग माध्यम स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स रो उद्घाटन करेंगे मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक। जहाँ सूचना रही भुवनेश्वर कलिंग स्टेडियम, गंजाम छत्रपुर और हिंजिड़काटू स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स रो उद्घाटन करेंगे।
On behalf of the Department of Sports and Youth Services, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the inauguration of 3 significant sports facilities in the state. Honorable Chief Minister's vision of sports for youth and youth for future has been a constant guiding force, and development of sports infrastructure both in the capital city as well as in the districts has been our key focus area to ensure our young and budding athletes have access to sports facilities and training at all levels. The projects to be inaugurated today are multi-purpose indoor stadium in Hinjlikat, indoor hall in Chhatrapur, both of these are in Ganjam, and the shooting high performance center in Kalinga Stadium. It gives me immense pride to say that all the 3 facilities have been developed to international standards and will greatly benefit sports persons. The multi-purpose indoor stadium in Hinjlikat is spread over 1.5 acres and has a seating capacity of 300. It has 4 badminton courts, 1 basketball and 1 volleyball court each. The stadium has a synthetic arena and is centrally air conditioned with key facilities that include changing rooms with lockers for both male and female athletes, rooms for coaches, fitness rooms, table tennis, first aid, among others. Chhatrapur Stadium has been equipped with 3 wooden floored badminton courts of international standards with necessary facilities including coach room, changing room with lockers for all athletes, table tennis room and multi-purpose room and gym. The project cost for Hinjlikat Indoor Stadium is rupees 11 crore and for Chhatrapur Indoor Hall is rupees 2.61 crores. Sports and Youth Services Department and District Administration have worked together to deliver these 2 projects that would play a significant role in building athletes of repute in the coming years from the region. We are also extremely proud of our collaboration with Shri Gagan Narang and the Aditya Birla Group for joining hands with us and being part of our sporting journey. We had signed an MOU in November 2018 and today the project kicks off. The shooting high performance center at Kalinga Stadium houses a 22-lane, 10-meter range. It can train close to 60 athletes per day and is equipped to cater to athletes across different levels, from beginner to elite, with adequate weapons and consumables in stock. It is one of its kind facility in eastern India. Training of the selected children under the Odisha Talent Adoption Program scheme at this facility will commence following the launch of the Shooting High Performance Center. The 50-meter shooting range has also been renovated as part of this project. Our high performance model has been widely appreciated and this facility is an added feather in our cap. These initiatives and collaboration will strengthen our association with different sports bodies and we can plan and aim higher for our sports persons and achieve greater sporting success. Thank you.
See a video on sports facilities created.
me.
Thank you. Now I would request the Honorable Minister Sports and Youth Services to hand over the promotion order to Ms. Duti Chand for being awarded with Arjuna Award.
Nutrition.
हिंजली कार्ड ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ତାଙ୍କର ସେ ଭାଷଣ ରଖିବେ।
ପାଇଁ ଆଜିର ଦିନ ଏକ ଗୌରବର ଦିନ କହିଲେ ଭୁଲ ହେବନି। କାରଣ ଆମମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିୟ ତଥା 4 କୋଟି ଓଡ଼ିଶାବାସୀଙ୍କୁ ନିଜ ପରିବାର ଭାବୁଥିବା ମାନ୍ୟବର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ନବୀନ ବାବୁଙ୍କ ଶୁଭ ହାତରେ ଟିଭି କଲ୍ ଜରିଆରେ ଆଜି ଏହି ବିଶ୍ୱସ୍ତରୀୟ ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମର ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ ହେବ। ଏହି ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ ହେବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଖାଲି ହିଞ୍ଜିଳି କାଟ ନୁହେଁ, ଏ ଆଖପାଖ ଅଞ୍ଚଳର ଯୁବକ ଓ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ା ପ୍ରେମୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଉତ୍ସାହିତ କରିବା ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ାବିତ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିବାର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା। କ୍ରୀଡ଼ାବିତ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା। ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଦୟାରୁ ଆମ ପ୍ରିୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ଦେହ ଆରୋଗ୍ୟ ରହୁ। ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରୟାସ ଚାଲିଛି ଏହି ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ତଥା ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ବିକାଶ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଏକ ନମ୍ବର କରିବାରେ ତାହା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ସଫଳ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ମୋର ମନ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଶେଷ କରୁଛି। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ, ଜୟ ନବୀନ ଓଡ଼ିଶା, ବନ୍ଦେ ଉତ୍କଳ ଜନ।
धन्यवाद। ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ମାନନୀୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କନଫରେନ୍ସିଂ ଜରିଆରେ ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ की इनाग्रेट करें। धन्यवाद। एबे आमे जीवा छत्रपुर माननीय सांसद बारमपुर सेठी होचंती तांकु मु अनुरोध करिबी।
ओडिशा जनमानसर समस्तंकर प्रिय भारत वर्षर नंबर 1 मुख्यमंत्री सम्मानीय नवीन पट्टनायक बाबू एवं आम गहन अछंती आस्कार प्रिय सांसद आम समस्तंकर माउसी प्रमीला मैडम आम गहन अछंती छत्रपुर विधायक सम्मानीय सुभाष बेहरा एवं आम गहन 5T सेक्रेटरी समस्तंकर प्रिय सम्मानीय पंडियन बाबू गंजाम कलेक्टर तांकर समस्त सहयोगी छत्रपुर पीडी गंजाम प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर एवं पूर्त विभाग समस्त ऑफिसर उपस्थित समस्त मीडिया पर्सन्स बंधुगण अति खुशीर विषय कारण दिन थिला ओडिशार परिचय प्रभात पुरुष विजु पट्टनायक नारे परिचय पाउथिले ओडिया लोक बाहर को गले दुईटा कथा कहले ओडिया लोक ओडिशा बोली बुझुथिले गोटे हला प्रभात पुरुष विजु पट्टनायक नचेत प्रभु जगन्नाथ किंतु आज माननीय मुख्यमंत्री सारा विश्व रे ओडिशा को बहु परिचय देइचंती सेथि मध्यरु आज ए स्पोर्ट्स आउटे परिचय विश्व दरबार रे आम समस्तंकर परिचय आस जाइछि हॉकी स्टेडियम हॉकी पिच जहाँकि विश्वर सबुठु उत्कृष्ट धरण तेणु आज मु निश्चित भाव में गर्वित कारण गंजाम जिले में आमर यही जिले में इंडोर स्टेडियम नथिला आज छत्रपुर एवं हिंजिली रे दुईटी स्टेडियम उद्घाटन होची ब्रह्मपुर ठारे इंडोर स्टेडियम काम चली दुईटा एवं सारा ओडिशा रे एवं स्पेशली गंजाम जिले में बहुठारे छोट छोट मिनी स्टेडियम एवं इंडोर स्टेडियम काम चलती तेणु गंजाम जिलावासी तरफ मान्यवर मुख्यमंत्री को मु हार्दिक अभिनंदन जनाऊँगी कृतज्ञता जनाऊँगी एवं जगन्नाथ प्रभु जगन्नाथ ठारे प्रार्थना करुचु जे तांको दीर्घजीवी करंतु से आउरी ओडिशावासी सेवा करंतु यह ही आम समस्त प्रार्थना पुणी थे आपण को विशेष विशेष धन्यवाद एवं कृतज्ञता जनाऊँगी वंदे उत्कल जननी नमस्कार
धन्यवाद. Now I will request the Honorable CM to inaugurate through video conference the multi-purpose indoor hall at Chhatrapati. Dhanyavad. Now we will go to Kalinga Stadium and I would request Shri Gagan Narang, Olympian, to address please.
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable Sports Minister, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera ji, Shri Kumar Mangalam Birla ji, Shri K.N. Deo ji, Secretary Sports, Shri Vishal Dev ji, Director Sports, Shri Vinil Krishna ji, Pride of Odisha and fellow athlete Tyuti Chand, and my fellow friends. It's such a privilege to be here and talking to all of you at this moment. I am extremely grateful to you all that you have laid the trust in us and given us the opportunity to take shooting sports to a new high by creating an ideal infrastructure and ecosystem. Even before the Olympic medal in 2012, I wanted to be the agent of change. I wanted the change the way people pursued shooting sports. I wanted them to have all the facilities that I did not have while I was starting out. At that exact moment, me and Pawan not only had the intent to make the change, but also had the vision. Not as clear as I have it today, I can tell you that today another goal becomes a milestone for us with the opening of the 10-meter range where the Odisha Aditya Birla Gagan Narang Shooting HPC will start its operations. It's a massive milestone for all of us. At the moment, this facility has 22 state-of-the-art training lanes. Soon, the HPC will become a 220-lane facility with all Olympic disciplines and will be a world-class training center and a competition venue. To fulfill this dream, we have conducted talent hunt at various age groups and are convinced that this state has more talent than what meets the eye. 75 kids were picked through the talent hunt program for this facility out of 2,000. They will now undergo different stages of training before they reach the state, nationals, and eventually the international level. We hope to follow the Gun for Glory curriculum, which has yielded great success and trains the athlete from basics to becoming world beaters. Perhaps the best thing about this range is going to be its accessibility for the specially abled athletes. Access has been made easy for them and a special training program has been designed. Lastly, the Olympics are a year away and today seems to be the right time for laying the foundation for 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. With the infrastructure getting ready in time and the talent pool in place, we will also be ready to hit the ground. I, from the bottom of my heart, would like to extend my sincere thanks to Chief Minister Sir for his vision and blessings on this project. Shri Kumar Mangalam ji for choosing to support shooting sport and his team for their unflinching support towards making this dream possible today. To Honorable Sports Minister Sir and his super proactive team in Vishal Sir and Vinil Sir for believing in us and guiding us on every step of the way. To Shri K.N. Singh Deo ji and his team towards working hand in hand for the promotion and development of the sport in the state. Last but not the least, I would like to invite you all to come and feel the buzz once the operations start. If you love sports, Odisha is the place to be. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Sri Naram. Now I would request Sri Kalikesh Singh Dev, Senior Vice President, National Rifle Association of India, to address me.
Good evening, everyone. Honorable Chief Minister, it's indeed a good day today when a world-class facility is going to be set up in Orissa. Shooting today is the most successful sport in India in many ways. We have been ranked number 1 amongst all the countries in the world, and we have beaten China and the US, having secured more than double the amount of gold medals that they have, and we expect this to continue. It's also the fastest growing sport in many ways. The Nationals have had more than 10,000 participants in the last few years, and we expect this base to grow. Odisha, in its turn, started with 3 participants and now have reached over 50 participants. And I'm sure with setting up of this facility and Gagan's involvement, this figure will dramatically increase in the next few years. One of the interesting phenomena of shooting in India is that the Indian team is considerably younger than most other sports teams in the country today. Almost 40% of the children in the Olympic team are under the age of 18, and most of them are under the age of 21. This speaks volumes about the junior program led by the NRAI, and I'm sure Gagan and the state government would concentrate on the youngsters to ensure that Odisha also has a very young team which can compete with the national team. The NRAI has held almost 9 international events in the last few years, along with 3 World Cups and 1 Olympic qualifier. This speaks volumes about the role of Indian shooting in the global order. In the recent visit to the ISSF meeting in Germany, I had a chance to view for myself the kind of respect and clout that the Indian shooting holds, and this is purely because of the performance of the shooters for which we as a federation stand to represent. Incidentally, the Indian shooting team has some of the largest quotas amongst all the other disciplines of sport in the upcoming Olympic Games in 2021. But none of this would have been possible without the help of the state federations. The national federation is as good as its state federations are, and to that effect, the Odisha Rifle Association has, after it started in 2010, done a reasonable job of increasing the amount of participants as well as competitors in the national level. It's conducted more than 15 training camps and has held a number of regional championships within the state. It also runs a quarterly Lakshya Odisha program for which children are invited to participate. And I'm glad to see that both Gagan and his team, as well as the Odisha Rifle Association, have for the last few years been working jointly to promote the sport of shooting in Odisha. Certainly, this particular center of excellence would be one of a kind in the state of Odisha and in Eastern India. And we hope that this center will certainly attract a lot more shooters to the state team as well as the national level. Having said that, I would also like to make one request of the Honorable Chief Minister. The State Federation has requested for some land to set up its own shooting range because at the moment they're dependent on various police or government shooting ranges which are sometimes not being made available. So if the government could allot that land to them, we already have a commitment of more than 2 or 3 crores waiting in the wings to set up the shooting ranges, and I personally commit to giving over 50 lakh rupees to construct that new shooting range. I'd be grateful if the government would consider that request. I'd like to thank Mr. Birla and the state government for facilitating such a unique venture, which I'm sure will go a long way to promote the sport of shooting and the qualities of excellence in the sport of shooting in Orissa. And I'm grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister, whose vision for sports has made Odisha not only a household name within the country in India, but also globally. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now I would request Sri Kumaramangalam Birla, Chairman Aditya Birla Group, to address, please.
Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik,
Honorable Minister, Sports and Youth Services, friends, warm greetings to everyone. It is truly a pleasure to connect virtually for the inauguration of the Odisha Aditya Birla Gagan Narang Shooting High Performance Center in Bhubaneswar. Indeed, a very significant milestone for the sports shooting ecosystem, not just in Odisha, but also in all of India. At the outset, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity. Under his visionary leadership, Odisha is morphing to become the sports capital of India. The state of Odisha made a very emphatic statement with the tremendous success of the 2018 Men's Hockey World Cup, as we know. Such has been the rapid impact created by the state and our much-loved Chief Minister that even the 2023 edition of the World Cup is coming home to Odisha. This is truly unprecedented, and it is a ringing endorsement. It is a ringing endorsement of the sports infrastructure built in the state under your leadership, sir. My compliments also to Sri Tushar Kanti Behera, Honorable Minister, Sports and Youth Services, for enabling Odisha to stand out as one of the best, if not the best state in India for the promotion of sports. Odisha, as we know, has fostered many of India's sporting talents: Dilip Tirke, Duti Chand, Ravi Kumar, Padmini Raut, to name just a few. This center will no doubt add many more names to that list. I am sure the Odisha Aditya Birla Gagan Narang Shooting High Performance Center will provide a pathway to thousands of aspiring sports persons and become a platform where the best of local talent can rise to shine on the international stage. It is a privilege for our group to be associated with this project, sir, and work closely with one of India's greatest sporting icons, Gagan Narang. Sports is a field where every participant imbibes values that are most critical and important in life, namely grit, discipline, hard work, teamwork, goal orientation, responsibility. We believe that this center will do more than just mold better sports people. It will help to shape better citizens. We have a deep engagement with Odisha as a group, cutting across industry segments: Hindalco in Hirakud, Aditya Aluminium in Lapanga, Utkal Alumina in Doraguda, Ultratech Cement in Jharsuguda, Grasim Industries in Ganjam, SL Mining in Keonjhar, and the Aditya Birla Capital in Bhubaneswar. The sheer breadth of our economic activity in your state, sir, is a reflection of our implicit faith in you, Naveen Babu, and in the people of Odisha. In all of our locations and through our CSR engagements, we are an integral part of the communities, especially of rural Odisha. From enabling a centralized midday meal kitchen in Keonjhar to providing solar lamps to school children so that they have light to study. From constructing community toilets to setting up medical camps that make healthcare accessible to communities. Our ties to the Odisha community, sir, are very strong. We also, as you know, run the Aditya Birla Public School and the recently Gandhi Peace Center that was inaugurated by you, which is a digital interactive museum to promote Gandhian values. This shooting center is one more example of how deeply we believe in the state of Odisha and in your dynamic leadership. It is indeed a welcome addition to our fold. After all, sir, as you have made us all realize, sports cannot only energize and empower, but also unite and delight. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ମାନ୍ୟବର ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁଥ୍ ସର୍ଭିସେସ୍ ଟୁ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍।
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री नवीन पटनायक महोदय, आस्का सांसद श्रीमती प्रमीला बिशोई महोदया, ब्रह्मपुर सांसद श्री चंद्रशेखर साहू महोदय, माननीय पूर्वतन सांसद तथा नेशनल राइफल एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया रो सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट श्री कलिकेश नारायण सिंह देव, श्री कुमार मंगलम बिल्ला चेयरमैन आदित्य बिल्ला ग्रुप, उत्कल आलुमिनार अध्यक्ष श्री एस.के. मिश्र महोदय, विभागीय शासन सचिव और निर्देशक, उपस्थित सज्जन मंडली, सांबादिक बंधुगण एवं लाइव जोगे यही कार्यक्रम देखुवा समस्त दर्शकों को आज शुभ संध्यारे मो हार्दिक अभिनंदन एवं शुभेच्छा जनाऊँ। आम प्रिय मुख्यमंत्री श्री नवीन पट्टनायक दूरदृष्टि संपन्न नेतृत्व जोगु आम ओडिशा रे एक शक्तिशाली क्रीड़ा इकोसिस्टम परिकल्पना करिपरिछु। याकू अधिक दृढ़ सहित भित्तिभूमिर विकास पाई सर्वदा प्रयास कर चलीछु। राज्य सरकार यही प्रचेष्टा क्रीड़ा सहित जड़ित समस्त को उपकृत करने सहित ओडिशा को एक क्रीड़ा हब रे परिणत कर सहायक हेब। प्रकृत पक्षे कहवाक गले यही उद्यम द्वारा क्रीड़ाविद को प्रोत्साहन मिलवा सहित ग्रामांचल क्रीड़ा प्रतिभा को खोजी बाहर करने एवं उन्नत तालीम जरिया शीर्ष स्तर में पहुँचाइबार पथ परिष्कार करिवो। आमे क्रीड़ा क्षेत्र में व्यवधान को दूर करने को चाहूँ। उन्नत भित्तिभूमि और प्रशिक्षण द्वारा यह सहज हो पार। वर्तमान ओडिशा क्रीड़ा सह विभिन्न क्षेत्र में उल्लेखनीय सफलता हासिल करिछि। निकटरे अनेक गुड़िए मेगा इवेंटर सफल आयोजन पर विभिन्न महलरू ओडिशा को मिलता अजस्र प्रशंसा यार एक बड़ उदाहरण। तेबे वर्तमान महामारी संकट अनेक क्रीड़ा कार्यसूची को विलंबित करिछि। तेबे यही प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति में आम पछकु न हटी भित्तिभूमिर सुदृढ़ीकरण और पुनर्निर्माण कार्य को त्वरित बेगर आगे नेबा उपरे आम अधिक गुरुत्व देउछु। आज एक गर्वर मुहूर्त। आम आज तीनोटी प्रमुख क्रीड़ा प्रकल्प को क्रीड़ाविद लगी उत्सर्ग करिछु। सेथिमध्यरु हिंद्रीकट इंडोर स्टेडियम, छत्रपुर बैडमिंटन कोर्ट एवं भुवनेश्वर कलिंग स्टेडियम स्थित शूटिंग एचबीसी अन्यतम। एसहित हॉकी को अधिक प्रोत्साहित लक्ष्य में छत्रपुर ठारे सिंथेटिक टर्फ निर्माण करने को जाऊँ। आज एक स्मरणीय दिन। सामूहिक भाव आम आमर क्रीड़ाविद उन्नति यही रोड मैप प्रस्तुत करूँ। आम राज्य में क्रीड़ा प्रतिभार एक समृद्ध उत्स अच्छी। राज्य सरकार पक्षर नि पदक्षेप आगामी दिन में युव क्रीड़ाविद वृत्तिगत क्रीड़ा ग्रहण करने को उत्साहित कर। एसहित क्रीड़ा आमर प्रतिबद्धता अविरत भाव आगे चलो। आम प्रिय मुख्यमंत्री निर्देश में आम एक अनन्य प्रशिक्षण केन्द्र हाई परफॉर्मेंस सेंटर ओडिशा आदित्य बिर्ला गगन नारंग शूटिंग हाई परफॉर्मेंस सेंटर प्रतिष्ठा करिछु। निकटरे ओलंपिक क्रीडार शूटिंग वर्ग में भारत बहुत सफलता हासिल करिछि। यह अनेक को खेलवाई प्रेरणा जोगाई। आज गगन नारंग और तांको फाउंडेशन एवं आदित्य बिर्ला ग्रुप सहयोग में आम पर्याप्त सुविधा सरंजाम एवं पारदर्शिता सहित एक संरचना फॉर्मेट प्रस्तुत करिछु। यह द्वारा आम एचपीसी स्काउट एथलेट मानक एक सुजोग सृष्टि करिछु। मु एही अवसर में ग्लोरी फॉर गन आदित्य बिर्ला ग्रुप सरकारी एजेंसी विभागीय अधिकारी जो मैंने समयानुवर्ती हो प्रकल्प गुड़ी को कार्यकारी करिसेंती समस्त को धन्यवाद जनाऊँ। जय हिंद, वंदे उत्कल।
धन्यवाद सर। Now I would request the Honorable CM to inaugurate the shooting range in Kalinga Stadium through video conference. Thank you. Now I would request the Honorable CM to address this.
Honorable Minister Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, Chairman Aditya Birla Group, Shri Kumaramangalam Birla, Honorable MPs, Honorable MLAs, ex-MP Shri Kalikesh Singh Dev, Olympian Shri Gagan Narang, Arjun Awardee, Duty Chand, ladies and gentlemen, Hinjlikat or Chhatrapur Road, Priya Bayo Bonimani. I am glad that we are launching 3 top-class sports facilities in the state in a single day today. This demonstrates our resolve to make Odisha a leading state in sports. After hosting the Hockey World Cup in 2018 and many national and international events in Odisha, we have taken up a multitude of sports infrastructure projects in our state. We will be launching more such grassroots development programs across all the districts. As a part of the 5T initiative, our focus is on complete transformation of the sports sector in the state. With quality coaching and infrastructure, I am sure a new generation of world-class sports persons from the state will emerge in the coming decades. As you know, we continue to support sports persons in their endeavors to achieve excellence. It requires a lot of dedication and hard work, and also support systems. I would like to congratulate athlete Duty Chand for the Arjuna Award. In recognition, the state government decides to give an out-of-turn promotion in her job in OMC. Ganjam has a vibrant sports culture and has produced many sports persons. To further promote sport activities in the district, Hinjlikatu Indoor Stadium and Chhatarpur Indoor Hall have been created. Built to international standards, Hinjlikut Indoor Stadium is one of the best indoor facilities we have in the state. Hinjlikatu Rayuba PD Mananka Pai A Indoor Stadium बहुत यूजफुल है वो। और वो घोषणा करी थी छतरपुर तारे हॉकी ट्रेनिंग पाई सिंथेटिक टर्फ कराजी में। India has been a major force in shooting at the global level. I hope that with the launching of the 10-meter and 50-meter shooting ranges in Kalinga Stadium, Odisha will certainly produce a large number of shooting champions for the country. Partnership of industry and leading sports persons is indeed a dynamic mechanism for flourishing sports. I am happy that the partnership with Aditya Birla Group and Olympian Gagan Narang has been further strengthened with the launching of this facility. I thank Sri Kumaramangalam Birla and Olympian Gagan Narang for their commitment to promote young talent in Odisha. In the last few months, the training of the sports persons would have been severely impacted by the restrictions due to COVID pandemic. I hope the momentum of sports development will continue with renewed vigor once the corona situation improves and the state will continue to excel in the field of sports. Thank you. Bande Utkal Jan.
Thank you, sir. Now I will request the Director of Sports to propose a vote of thanks.
Odisha has made a name for itself in the field of sports thanks to the vision, inspiration and direction of Honorable Chief Minister. We are profoundly grateful, sir, for your kind presence and inauguration of all the sports facilities today. With your blessings in the coming year, a lot more infrastructure projects will be launched and quality coaching programs will be initiated across the state. We are thankful to Mr. Birla for joining the ceremony. The continuous support of Aditya Birla Group and its senior officials has strengthened the partnership. We understand that Mr. Birla himself is an aged shooter and we hope under his guidance, shooting will have a strong support from the Aditya Birla Group. Special thanks to Gagan Narang for creating such a wonderful shooting range here. Many youngsters are really excited to get trained under him and they are present here for the ceremony today. We are thankful to Honorable Minister for his constant guidance and support for all the projects. We would like to thank the Honorable MPs and MLAs for joining the ceremony and for always supporting the sport activities in the district. We are thankful to Sri Kaligesh Singh Dev, Senior Vice President NRAA, for making it to the ceremony. We hope that under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Dev and the state and central associations, cooperation and support, shooting will emerge as a major sport in the state. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our Chief Secretary and Development Commissioner who have always supported the sports projects. Thanks to Duty Chand for joining the event and congratulations once again for the Arjuna Award and promotion. We are thankful to Secretary Sports and Youth Services for his able and energetic leadership in the department. Thanks to all the dignitaries and the organizing members present here and in Ganjam for making this ceremony possible. Special thanks to all the media and viewers who are watching this program live. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. The program is over.
श्री नवीन पट्टनायक गंजाम हिंजुली काटू और छत्रपुर में 2टी स्पोर्ट्स कम्प्लेक्स उद्घाटन होइछि और भुवनेश्वर कलिंग स्टेडियम रे अन्य एक स्पोर्ट्स कम्प्लेक्स उद्घाटन होइछि। अधिक सूचना सीधा सड़क जावा आम सहित जोड़ी होइछन्ते हमर दक्षिण ओडिशा मुख्य प्रकाश पट्टनायक। प्रकाश, छत्रपुर में गोटे स्पोर्ट्स कम्प्लेक्स और हिंजुली काटू में आउ गोटे स्पोर्ट्स कम्प्लेक्स उद्घाटन करा जाइछि, कौन यार विशेषत्व?
और पूजा ये सब भी
निश्चित एलिना देखो मु कहबी जे अनेक जो प्रतीक्षा रही प्रतीक्षार अंत घटी और या सहित जो स्वप्न रही गंजाम बासिंदा से स्वप्न साकार होती कारण दुईटी इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड इंडोर स्टेडियम को उद्घाटन कर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री। बर्तमान आम अच्छे हिंजिली काटू जो इंडोर स्टेडियम किसी समय पूर्व वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग माध्यम जो उद्घाटन करम अच्छे बर्तमान देखुं जो विभिन्न वर्गर जो लोक मैंने आसी विशेषकर मुझे जे आसिका जो सांसद अच्छा प्रमीला विषय सी उपस्थित थे या सहित निजे जिलापाल विजयमूर्त कुलांगी उपस्थित अच्छा विभिन्न पंचायत जो रही कर्मकर्ता माने सरपंच कथा कहतु समिति सभ्य कथा कहतु से उपस्थित अच्छे किसी मान्यमान्य व्यक्ति उपस्थित अच्छा जो इंडोर स्टेडियम ये उद्घाटन कराई बास्केटबॉल खेलिवार व्यवस्था कराई भलीबॉल खेलिवार व्यवस्था कराई बैडमिंटन खेलिवार व्यवस्था कराई या सहित टेबल टेनिस खेलिवार व्यवस्था कराई चेस खेलिवार व्यवस्था कराई जो हिंजिलकाटू जो इंडोर स्टेडियम उद्घाटन प्राय 12 कोटी टंका व्यय निर्माण कराई। वर्तमान देखो वर्तमान जो इंडोर स्टेडियम परिसर में अच्छु जो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जो चलता आलोचना चलता मुझे अपडेट देवा चाहिए जे वर्तमान कैमेरा पर्सन अनुरोध कर जो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस जो पूर्व जमी मुख्यमंत्री उद्घाटन करते वर्तमान मुख्यमंत्री पुणी थे जोड़ी होती वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जोगे एठिकार जो अच्छा हिंजिलकाटू बासिंदा अच्छा कारण उद्देश्य यहाँ से लोकार्पण कर धन्यवाद दौरान विशेषकर कोविड समय से जो प्रकार कार्य करते से धन्यवाद देवाई चाहते पुणी थे मुख्यमंत्री जो पूर्व जो कार्य रही वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जोगे 2टी इंडोर स्टेडियम को उद्घाटन करते कलिंग स्टेडियम से जो स्पोर्ट्स एरिना जो उद्घाटन करते बर्तमान पुणी थे मुख्यमंत्री वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जोगे जोड़ी होती मुझे अपडेट देवाई चाहिए एटी जो हिंजुली काटू ब्लॉक कथा कहतु कि शेरगढ़ ब्लॉक कथा कहतु सेठिकार जो मैंने सब आसछन्ति सरपंच कथा कहतु कि अन्य जो पंचायत स्तर जो अधिकारी मैंने आसछन्ति जो जनप्रतिनिधि मैंने आसछन्ति तांकु मुख्यमंत्री पुणी थे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस जोगे सहित आलोचना करने चाहते एलिना देखु जो भेटी देती हिंजुली काटू को जो अनेक लोकंर जो गोटे आशा थिला जो गोटे समस्त जो अपेक्षा कर रही तार जो अंत घटी गोटे सुंदर इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड इंडोर स्टेडियम को भेटी देती सहित कोविड समय से जो प्रकार कार्य कर धन्यवाद देवाई मुख्यमंत्री चाहते एणु पुणी थे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जोगे जोड़ी होती आम देखुचे मुख्यमंत्री केमती पुणी थे आउ थे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जोगे जोड़ी होती एठिकार जो पीआर मेंबर जाक पंचायत राज जो मेंबर मैंने अच्छा सहित से आलोचना करने चाहते ये जिलापाल उपस्थित अच्छा या सहित हिंजिलकाटू ब्लॉक चेयरमैन अच्छा जी सहित वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस जोगे कथा
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रकाश आपणकर सूचना सीधा सड़क प्रकाश पट्टनायक आम सहित जोड़ी होते ओडिशार गोटे शक्तिशाली क्रीड़ा सिस्टम वर्तमान गंजाम रे प्रतिष्ठा होइछि। छत्रपुर और हिंजिलकाटू में 2टी कम्प्लेक्स उद्घाटन करिसेंति मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक और इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड कम्प्लेक्स निर्माण करा जाउछि जहाकु क्रीड़ाविद माने बेस खुशी प्रकाश करिसेंति।